Starting in 2025, thousands of travelers might be turned away at airports worldwide. Why? Because new rules are shaking up air travel, changes that affect everyone, from first-time flyers to seasoned pros. Your ID, your packing routine, and even your passport could get you stopped at security. But hold up, before you panic, I've got the breakdown of every new rule you need to know to make sure you're ready for your next trip. Hey there, welcome to Empower Your Journey, your go-to channel for travel tips, hacks, and all things travel freedom. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest travel trends. And tell me in the comments, what's the one travel rule you always forget? Number 1. Real ID deadline. Let's start with a big one, Real ID. Beginning May 7th, 2025, your old driver's license won't cut it anymore for air travel in the US. You'll need a Real ID. So what exactly is a Real ID? It's a special, federally approved ID that comes with a shiny little star in the corner. And yes, it's different from your standard driver's license. How do you know it's compliant? Look for the star in the corner. Don't have one yet? No worries. There are other options, like a passport or global entry card. Pro tip, get your Real ID now to avoid last-minute chaos. Next up, passports. As of September 18th, 2024, the US is rolling out an online passport renewal system, but there are some new rules. First, you need to be over 25 and your passport should be between 9 to 15 years old. And no selfies for your photo. Make sure to follow the strict photo guidelines or your application could get rejected. Heads up. According to the State Department website, processing takes 4 to 6 weeks, so plan ahead. Number 3, baggage size changes. Now let's talk luggage. Airlines are getting serious about carry-on size limits, especially on international flights. Some are okay with 22-inch bags, others cap it at 21 inches. Weight restrictions also vary, with some airlines imposing limits as low as 15 pounds or 7 kilograms. My advice? Measure everything, including wheels and handles. And always check the airline's rules. A luggage scale can save you from those surprise fees at the gate. Number 4, refund rights. Here's some good news. If your flight's delayed over 3 hours or your bags go missing, airlines now have to automatically refund you. Yes, you heard correctly. Starting October 28, 2024, airlines and ticket agents are officially on the hook for giving you a full refund, taxes and fees included, if your flight is canceled or significantly delayed, and the same for the fees of your checked bags. Check the link in the description for more information. Pro tip. Keep all your receipts, monitor your flight status, and be ready to start the claim process as soon as possible. And don't forget, check your credit card benefits for extra travel protection. Number 5, family seating guarantee. Family travelers, rejoice. Airlines in the US are now required to guarantee that kids under 13 sit with at least one parent, even in basic economy. No extra fees, no exceptions. But make sure to book early and double-check your seating when you check in. Number 6, security upgrades. Security's getting a major upgrade too. Starting with Vegas, you might soon be able to breeze through security without pulling out your laptop. 3D scanners are rolling out, and soon, you might not even have to take your shoes off. Just be prepared. Every airport is a little different while the upgrades roll out. Number 7. American Airlines boarding crackdown. American Airlines has a message for the early birds. Don't even try it. Starting in 2025, most US airlines will use a new boarding system to catch anyone attempting to jump the line. So if you're in Zone 5, no sneaky moves, you've been warned. Pro tip, respect the boarding order and use the extra time to chill, hydrate, or dive into that airport snack stash. Stress-free travel is the ultimate flex. Number 8, ETIAS, Europe's new travel gatekeeper. Heading to Europe in 2025? Don't forget about ETIAS, the new travel authorization you'll need to enter 30 European countries. Originally expected earlier, ETIAS is now scheduled to roll out 6 months after the Entry-Exit System, EES, which is anticipated to launch sometime in 2025. While ETIAS covers destinations like France, Italy, and Spain, remember the UK has its own separate system, so check their requirements too. ETIAS will apply to travelers from 60 countries, including the US, and about 1.4 billion people are impacted by this rule. Here's the deal. Quick online application. Costs about $7.5, €7. Fast approvals. Most are done in minutes, but manual reviews can take up to 2 weeks. Pro tip. Apply at least a month before your trip to avoid any hiccups. ETIAS is valid for 3 years or until your passport expires, whichever comes first. For a full breakdown of these changes and other travel updates for Europe, watch my video. Link in the description. So, what do you think of all these new travel rules? Which one shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, plan ahead, stay informed, and keep your travels stress-free. Thanks for watching, and until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.